Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen till 29th page of Bhashapraveshaha book, right? Today we are going to see from 30th page till 33 page. So I am starting with the 30th page. See this. Here they have given a table with few shabdas, nama shabdas. It means noun forms. Balakaha means a boy. It's a dual form they have given. It's plural form also they have given. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha. It means one boy, two boys, multiple boys. It's a male gender, masculine. Like the same way, they have given few more shabdas also. Mitram means friend. Mitram is a neuter gender. Mitram, mitre, mitrani. One friend, two friends, multiple friends. Balika, female, a girl. One girl, two girls, multiple girls. Balike, balikaha. Like this, they have given multiple shabdas here. For all these things, what you need to do? This is a Pradhama Purusha forms, right? Pradhama Purusha means third person. Here there is nothing like I am, you. I am means aham. You means tvam. Apart from these both, whatever shabda is there, noun form is there, everything is called as a Pradhama Purusha. I am means Uttama Purusha, first person. You, Tvam means second Madhyama Purusha, who is the second person. But here there is nothing like that, right? Aham or Tvam. Are you able to see anywhere here? No. Everywhere Pita, Mata, Vyakti, Muni, Guru, Vadu, all third person shabdas are there. That's why all these are called as a third person. That means Pradhama Purusha forms. That's what is given here. These are the Pradhama Purusha, singular form, dual form and plural form. And what you need to do here, see this in the right hand side, are you able to see a small table? Asti means it is there, it exists, it is available. All these are the synonyms. It is there, it is available, it exists. Means asti. It's a dual form and plural form. If one boy is there, balakaha asti. One boy is there. Two boys are there. Then balakau staha means two boys are there. Balakaha santi. Multiple boys are there. I repeat it. See this. Balakaha means a boy. A boy is there. Asti. Balakaha asti. A boy is there. Balakau staha. Two boys are there. Two boys are exist. Balakaha santi. All boys are there. That means multiple boys are there. Balakaha santi. Like this you need to mix and match. You need to do, for all these words, you need to do match the following here. Only here in the right hand side, only three Dhatu Rupa. That means verbal forms. These are verbs, right? Vadati, talk. Ichati. Ichati means like. Vadati, talk. Ichati, like. Asti, it is there. All these are the verbal forms. That means Dhatu Rupani. Dhatu Rupani. And what are these in the left hand side? All these are the noun forms. Balakaha, a boy. Mitram, a friend. Balika, a girl. All these are the noun forms. That means noun forms, you know, right? Namapadam. Namapadam, we will call it as a noun form. And Dhatu Rupani means verbal forms. So you need to mix and match a noun form and a verbal form and create a simple sentence. As I told you, I'll give you one more sentence. Balika ichati. Balika means a girl. Ichati means likes. A girl likes. What she likes, we don't know. We are not bothered. We are just giving a simple sentence. A girl likes. Two girls like. Balike ichataha. What they both like, we don't know. Small sentence. Balike ichataha. Balikaha ichanti. All girls likes. Multiple girls likes. So like this you need to do a mix and match. You can do mix and match with anything. You can take balikaha. See this? Balikaha. Vadati also you can take. Vadati means speaks. A girl speaks. You can write. Or a girl likes. Balika ichati also you can do. Any as per your wish, you can do match the following. Mix and match. Like this, they have given multiple shabdas here. You just need to do the mix and match. Match the following. So it is done. Everything you can take the help of learnsanskrit.cc if you want to know the meaning. You can know the simple meanings, right? Muni. Munihi means saint. Saint and two saints Muni. Munayaha, multiple saints. Guruhu, one teacher. Guru, two teachers. Guravaha, multiple teachers. Like this, simple ones you can know the meaning. If you are unable to know the meaning, then take the help of learnsanskrit.cc. In that, you can just type this Guruhu, you will get the answer. Then, once you get the answer, it is easy for you to do mix and match, right? Guru means teacher. What teacher will do? Teacher likes. Also, we can write. Teacher speaks. Also, you can write. So, it is very simple exercise. It is done. Moving to the next page. See here. In 31 page, here they have given Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. Till now we have seen only third person, right? Who's Pradhama Purusha. Now we are here Tvam. We are talking about Tvam means Madhyama Purusha. You. Tvam means you. Aham means I am. So what is the Tvam? In the Tvam table, what are they given? They have given Asi, Staha, Sta. Asi means you are there. You exist. Tvam Asi. You are there. Yuvam Staha. You both are there. Yuvam Staha. Yuyam Sta. You all are there. I repeat it. See here. Tvam means you. What are the dual and plural forms of you? You both, you all. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. So this is done. Now what you need to do? You need to create a simple sentence, right? Tvam asi. Asi means you exist. You are there. You both exist. Yuvam staha. Staha means for two people. Two people are exist. Two people are there. Yuvam staha. Yuyam sta. You all are there. Multiple people, you all are there. Yuyam staha. So this is done. What is the second example they have given? Tvam gachasi. Gachasi means you go. This gachasi will differ for Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha and Pradhama Purusha. I have already shown you, if you remember in the last class, Gachati. If you can type in the ashtadhyayi.com or sanskritabhyas.in. Then Gachati forms you will get. Pradhama Purusha forms you will get. Madhyama Purusha forms you will get. Uttama Purusha forms also you will get. What are those forms? These are the forms. Gachasi, gachatah, gachata. You go, you both go, you all go. So these are the Madhyama Purusha forms. What is Madhyama Purusha? Madhyama Purusha means second person, that is you. Whenever I want to talk about you, you both, you all, about going, then I'll use gachasi, gachataha, gachata. The same thing I want to talk about myself. Aham, I go, we both go, we all go. Then what I'll use? Gachami. Gachami, I go. Aham gachami. You go. Tvam gachasi. Are you able to differentiate here? Aham gachami. I go. Tvam gachasi. You go. And it's a dual form and plural forms. You both go. Yuyam gachataha. Yuyam gachata. You all go. Avam gachavaha. We both go. Vayam gachamaha. We all go. Right? So like this, you need to differentiate Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha and Pradhama Purusha. First person, second person, third person. All these forms you need to remember. And the last one, see, Tvam Vasasi. Vasasi means live. You live. Tvam Vasasi. You both live. Yuvam Vasataha. Yuvam Vasataha. You both live. Yuyam Vasata. You all live. This is about Madhyama Purusha. That means about whenever I want to talk about you, you both, you all, then I need to use Vasasi, Vasataha, Vasata. Same thing when I want to talk about myself. I live, we both live, we all live. Then what I'll use? I'll use Aham Vasami. Aham Vasami. Avam Vasavaha. Vayam Vasamaha. I live, we both live, we all live. So like this you need to differentiate and use the all these forms, verbal forms and noun forms. So this is about the first part. Let's go into the second part. Here these are the Vishesha Kriya Padani. Means Kriya Padam means verbal form. Dhatu Rupani. I told you just now, I told you, right? These Ichati, like Vadati, talk, all these are called as verbal forms. Dhatu Rupani or Kriya Padani. Both are same. Here all these it plays a different role. Like for example, let me show you one thing. See here, Vasami, Vasavaha, Vasamaha. Live, I live, we both live, we all live, right? Coming to the Gachati, Gachami, Gachavaha, Gachamaha. If you can see, if you can relate these both, see this? It ends with me. Gachami, Vasami. Go, live. This end, see the last letter. Gachavaha, Vasavaha. Both are similar, right? Gachamaha, Vasamaha. It ends with the same letter. So multiple dhatus, multiple verbs are similar, but there are few special dhatus. That means special verbs which won't be like a similar. It won't be like vasami, gachami like this. It plays little different role. That's why these are called as a Vishesha Kriya Padani, a special verbs, special verbal forms. What are those special verbal forms? See this? Janati, Krinati, Grihnati. these are the different special verbal forms. If you see the in sanskritabhyas.in, you will see little difference. I'll show you that. First, observe this. Janati means know. I know. Aham janami. I know. Balakaha janati. He knows. A boy knows. Krinati. Krinati means buy. A boy buys. What he buys, we don't know. We are not bothered also. A simple sentence, a boy buys. So, balakaha krinati. Third person sentence. Simple sentence. Balakaha means boy. Krinati means buy. A boy buys. B-U-Y. B-O-Y boy. B-U-Y buy. A boy buys. Grihnati means grasp. So, a boy grasps very quickly. A boy grasps Sanskrit concepts very quickly. Whenever I want to use about grasp, I'll use grihnati. I'm talking about the boy. Balakaha grihnati. The boy grasps. Simple sentence. What he grasps, we are not bothered right now. Like this, these are the janitaha, krinitaha, grihnitaha. These are the Pradhama Purusha forms. That means third person forms. Let's check how we need to search this Vishesha Kriya Padani. Now, right now we are going to check janati. That means know. The boy knows. Balakaha janati. How to search this janati verbal forms? Open Google. Open Google and then type sanskritabhyas.in. Here in Google, type sanskritabhyas.in. Once you type, a web page will open. Now you are searching for verbal forms, right? Verb means janati, he knows. Dadati, he gives. Vadati, he speaks. All these are the verbal forms. Now you need to click on Sanskrit verbs. Once you click on Sanskrit verbs, now click on the search button in the bottom. Now here type janati. What is given here? Just go and check. Janati only they have given, right? If you can observe this. Janati. Right? We are searching this only right now. The boy knows. These websites, sometimes it will be very slow. You need to take more time and then try to understand the things from the website only. All these shabdas. You need to put effort initially. Then if you put effort now, then going forward, it will be Sanskrit concepts will be very easy for you. If you are very lazy right now, then it will be very difficult for you to learn Sanskrit. So just take more time. Now janati we need, right? See here. Okay. Janati you have typed and you will click on the search button. Then you will get a result. See here, Dhatu Rupa. Dhatu rupas means verbal forms. That's what we need, right? Janati means he knows. A boy knows. And here, if you observe lat lakara, as I already told you, we are concentrating on present tense, only present tense. We are not bothered about past tense or future tense. What is present tense? Lat lakara. Lat lakara means present tense. So once you see this, click on it. Now see here. Janati, Janitaha, Jananti. Pradama Purusha. What is Pradama Purusha? Third person. Apart from I am or you, whatever word is there, whatever shabda is there, whether it is a boy, girl, teacher, student, a stranger, a man or a woman, all words comes under third person. Apart from I am or you. Right? So right now this is the Pradama Purusha forms. These are the special dhatus, special verbal forms. Why? Because these are little different compared to the normal verbal forms. Once you learn normal forms and special forms, you can able to see the difference. So right now concentrate on only these things. So these things you will note it down separately. These are the Pradama Purusha, who is the third person. If you want to talk about Madhyama Purusha, that means about you. You know. That means Tvam Janasi. You means Tvam. Janasi means you know. I know. Uttama Purusha. I am first person, right? I am first person. You second person. So, I know. Aham Janami. We both know. Avam Janivaha. We all know. Vayam Janimaha. Like this we will use. Right now that exercise is talking about only third person. So right now we are concentrating on only third person, Pradama Purusha. So note down these things. Janati, Janitaha, Jananti. These things you will note it separately. Again you will come back to this exercise. See, here they are talking about third person. Kaha janati, who knows. Kaha means who or what, means kaha. So here they are not talking about I am or you, right? Neither first person nor second person. They are talking about some other third person. Kaha janati, who knows. That's why they have used Pradama Purusha form. You got it, right? So this is a singular form. Like this, you need to search each and every dhatu rupa. These are the dhatus, right? Karoti, does. Chinoti, choose. Prapnoti, acquire. Roditi, cry. Shrunoti, hear. Grihnati, grasp. Krinati, buy. Shaknoti, capable. So all these forms you need to note it separately. After noting separately, what you need to do? All these are the third person forms. Pradama Purusha forms, you will note it in a paper. After that, what you need to do? Here see this. Ka karoti. Ka means who. Who does? Ka karoti. Singular, right? So that's why you have used singular Pradama Purusha form. Karoti. Who does? Bhavan Chinoti. You choose. Bhavan means with respect to a guy. To a guy, choose. Choose means Chinoti. And say this. Yeshaha Krinati. This buys. Yeshaha means this. Buy this. Yeshaha Krinati, by this. Singular form. Saha grihnati. Saha means she. Saha, no. Saha means a guy only. Saha, that boy. Grihnati, grasp. That boy grasp. Yeshaha means uh, this boy. Yeshaha means this. Saha means that. Both are masculine only. Are you able to recollect? Earlier I told you. Yeshaha, this male. Saha, that male. That's what is given here. So here, Yeshaha Krinati means this male buys. What he buys, we don't know. Saha Grihnati. That male grasp. What he grasps, we don't know. We are just guessing. He grasps Sanskrit concepts quickly. You got it right what I am saying. All are talking about singular only. Singular Pradama Purusha forms. Pradama Purusha means third person. And coming to the bottom table, see here, all these are the third person forms only. So till now we have seen only singular forms, right? See this. This entire table is talking about singular Pradama Purusha forms. That means third person singular forms we have seen. Janati, Karoti, Chinoti, Dadati, Rodati. Everything is the singular forms. Now we are going to see the dual forms. What are dual forms? Janitaha. Cow, Janitaha. Cow means kaha cow. Who? Kaha janati? Who knows? Kau janitaha? Who both knows? Ka jananti? Who all knows? You are able to see the difference, right? Singular form, dual form, plural form of both noun and verb. I repeat it. I wanna say I know. Who knows? Who knows? It's a singular form. Who means kaha. Knows. Janati. Who knows? Who both knows. Kau janitaha. Dual form. Who both knows. Who all knows. Kaha jananti. So you got the noun singular, dual and plural form and verbal singular, dual and plural form. So like this you need to relate each and every dhatu. We'll see the second one. Ka karoti. Who does? Who does? Ka karoti. One person. Who does? Singular form. Tau kurutaha. Tau. Tau means what is tau? Two people. Two people does. Tau kurutaha. Bhavantaha kurvanti. You all do. Ka karoti means who does. Tau kurutaha. Two people does. Bhavantaha kurvanti. You all do. Multiple forms. So all these are like the singular table, dual table and plural table. For all the Vishesha Kriya Padani means special dhatus. What are special dhatus? Janati, no. Krinati, by. Shrunoti, hear. All these are the special dhatus, special verbal forms. So these things you just need to do, you just need to by heart. Just understand, try to analyze. All these Vishesha Kriya Padani will be similar. And what are normal dhatus? Normal dhatus, see this. Gachasi, gachataha, gachata. These are the normal verbal forms. These look similar. And Vishesha Kriya Padani, these looks a little different compared to the normal dhatus. Only few will be there. Why? Because these are special, right? Special dhatus will be very limited. Normal dhatus will be n number of dhatus will be there. N number of dhatus will be there. So everything you need to analyze and concentrate. And just write these special dhatus separately. Why? Because it will plays a major role. You might go wrong with these special dhatus. So just analyze it carefully, write it in a separate paper. Normal dhatus, anyway you will write in a normal notebook, right? In your notepad. These things write it in a separate paper and concentrate more on this. Then only you can differentiate and understand these dhatu rupas. So this page is done. Page number 31 is done. Now we are going to the 32 page. Now what is given in this 32 page, we'll see. They have given few shabdas. Shabdas they have given, and they have given about first person. Aham, avam, vayam. I am, we both, we all. This table you are able to see, right? Left hand side table. Aham, I am. Avam, we both. Vayam, we all. Now what you need to do with this? Just concentrate on the second left hand side part. Left hand side and middle part. Forget about the right hand side for some time. If you concentrate the left hand side, aham, avam, vayam. Using I am, we both and we all. What you need to do now? They have given few words like sevam. Seva means service. Bhajanam. Bhajanam means, you know bhajan, right? A song of God. Bhajan will call, right? So bhajanam. Vastram, a cloth. Datum, to give. Gnanam, knowledge. Shatrum, enemy. Bhumim, earth. Ramayanam, Ramayana, epic, you know. Pidaya, pain. Dhanam, money. They have given these things, right? What you need to do now? And they have given dhatu rupas also. Dhatus means verbal form, verbs. What is a verb? Just now I told you, right? Krinati, he does. Shrunoti, he hears. The boy hears, the boy does. All these are the verbal forms, right? Karoti means do. Shrunoti, hear. Chinoti, choose. Shaknoti, can, I'm capable. Prapnoti, obtain. Grihnati, grasp. Krinati, buy. Janati, know. Rodhiti, cry. Dadati, give. It talks about the verbal verbs. So what you need to do here? These verbs and these nouns you need to collate with aham, avam, vayam. About I am, we both, we all. What I do? I'll create a simple sentence. Simple sentences you need to create now with a noun, verb and object. Subject, object and verb. This is the subject. Aham, avam, vayam. I am, we both, we all are subjects, right? What is the object? Sevam, seva, service. I do service. I do bhajan. I hear bhajan. I'll give you an example to give you more clarity. Aham sevam karomi. They have clubbed this aham, they clubbed sevam, they clubbed karomi they have used. Why karomi? Why not karoti? If you remember, just now I have shown you Pradhama Purusha form, Madhyama Purusha form and Uttama Purusha form, verbal form. That means third person how to write. Karoti means does. A boy does. Then we will use karoti. I do. Then I'll use karomi. So here Uttama Purusha you need to search. What you need to search now? You need to go to sanskritabhyas.in and take the search with karoti. Then you will get third person form, second person form and first person form. Right? Is it clear? Now you are talking about aham. Aham means I am. I am is a Uttama Purusha, first person. So this karoti, whatever they have given is a third person. So forget about third person and take first person form and note it in a separate paper and come back here and fill it. What is the first person singular form of does? I do means karomi. You got it right? So aham sevam karomi. I do service. That's it. I'll give you one more example. We both do service. We both. Aham is done. Now avam. Avam means we both. We both. Seva will remain same. Object will remain same, right? I do service. We both do service. Both are same. So seva will remain same. Only this service also will differ. This noun and verb will change. If noun is singular, verb will also be singular. If noun is dual, verb should also be dual. If noun is plural, verb has to be a plural. This object will remain same. What is the object? Seva. Seva means service. How can it change? Seva will remain same, right? If one person do, it's called as seva. If two person or multiple person do, it's a seva only. It's a service only. So it won't change. Only I do service. We both do service. We all do service. That noun and verb will change. So here what you are taking? You will take this, one second. You will take this karoti, which is a third person singular form of do. You will search in the sanskritabhyas.in website and you will take a Uttama Purusha form. Uttama Purusha form. Why Uttama Purusha? Because it's talking about first person. I am. I am is a Uttama Purusha, first person. I am, we both, we all. You will take Uttama Purusha forms karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha. Once you take, you will club these three. Aham, seva, karoti. Avam, sevam, kurvaha. Vayam, sevam, kurmaha. That's it. So, like this you need to do a mix and match. And I'll give you one more example. See here. One more example. Okay, see this. Aham. Aham means I am. Dhanam. Dhanam means money. Dadati. Dadati is a third person form. What is third person? The boy. The boy gives money. Then we will use dadati. Dadati means gives. The boy gives. Dhanam means money. So now I'm talking about myself, right? I give money is different. The boy gives money is different. That money will change. Why? Because based on Purusha, whether Pradhama Purusha or Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha, noun and verb will change. Both has to be in sync. The subject and verb has to be in sync. So here dadati is the third person form. So you will search in the website and you will get the Uttama Purusha form. Then only you need to fill here. What is the Uttama Purusha form of Dadati? Dadami. Dadami is the Uttama Purusha form. I'll show you. See this? Here, Aham Dhanam Dadami. I give money. This Dhanam will remain same. Why? Because it's money. If I give money, if we both or we all give, it's a money only, right? So money will not change. Only I, we both, we all will change, and these verbs will change. Uttama Purusha verbs. Dadami, Dadvaha, Dadmaha. Dadami, Dadvaha, Dadmaha will change. So you got the thing right. What you need to do now for this exercise? Left hand side. This concentrate on this left hand side. Here they are talking about first person. First person means Uttama Purusha. Aham, Avam, Vayam. And these things they have given. Seva, Bhajanam, Vastram. These are the objects. It won't change. So you no need to bother about these things. Where you need to bother? You need to bother about this last part. Karoti, do. Shrunoti, hear. Chinoti, choose. So for all these last words, you need to search in the sanskritabhyas.in and you need to note Uttama Purusha forms. Why Uttama Purusha? Since they are talking about first person. You will note Uttama Purusha and you will club these three. That's it. That's what you need to do in the left hand side. So this is done. Now coming to the right hand side. What is there in the right hand side box? Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam means second person. Till now we have seen first person. Aham, Avam, Vayam is done. Now they are talking about Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. You both, you all. So now which forms you need? You need Madhyama Purusha forms. Same things you will search. Again same thing you will search and you will take Madhyama Purusha forms. Singular, dual and plural. Whatever you have done in the left hand side, Pradhama Purusha you have taken and you have clubbed the words. That's what you need to do. Here Madhyama Purusha forms you will take. That's it. Madhyama Purusha forms you will take and you will club. I'll show you one example. See this. One example, which one will take? See this. Tvam. This is not going up. Tvam Satkaram Karoshi. Tvam means you. You do. Satkaram means facilitate. You facilitate. You do facilitate. You can say hospitality. You know hospitality, right? Satkaram, you know, right? So, Tvam, you do hospitality. Means one person, singular, right? You is the singular. Satkaram, hospitality is singular. Which is the object, it won't change. Satkaram won't change. And what will change? Karoshi. Whenever you are using Tvam, you, then you will use Madhyama Purusha form. Madhyama Purusha means second person Dhatu Rupani you will take. And this Satkaram will remain same. Satkaram means hospitality. You do hospitality. These three they have clubbed. What all they have clubbed? They clubbed this Tvam and Satkaram will remain same. And do. Karoti means a Pradhama Purusha form, right? Third person form. This one you will search and you will get Madhyama Purusha singular form and you will put here. These three you will club and create a simple sentence. So this is what this exercise is talking about. So finally, overall what you need to do in the middle, these shabdas, you need to get Madhyama Purusha forms and Uttama Purusha forms. Second person and first person, singular, dual, plural, you will note it down separately and you will create a simple sentences in the bottom. All these things you will fill. That's what you need to do in this exercise. So this is done. Now we'll go to the next page. This entire exercise you need to do only first person forms and second person forms you will get, and you will create a simple sentences as the below provided examples. This will be done. And moving to the next page. See here they have given few sentences. Vatuhu shastram shrunoti. Vatuhu shastram shrunoti. Now what you need to do? You need to do plural form you need to write based on the given example. So this example is talking about Vatu. Vatuhu means youth. One youth. Its plural form is Vatavaha. So they are talking about singular form and plural form. They are not worried about dual form. So forget about dual. Here they have given singular form. They have given. You need to write the plural form of this sentence. That's what you need to do. We'll see the examples. Vatuhu shastram shrunoti. Youth listens. Shastram means scriptures, Sanskrit scriptures. Youth listen scriptures. What is the plural form of youth? Vatuhu means youth. In English, we'll tell the will pronounce it as same, right? Youth only we will tell for singular, dual, and plural form. But in Sanskrit, form is there. Vatuhu is singular form and Vatavaha is the plural form. So youth listens scriptures. Shastram will remain same. Shastram means scripture won't change, right? Just now we spoke about that, which is the object here. Only subject will change and verb will change. Only link is between subject and verb. Both has to be in sync. This object, it won't change at all. We'll just keep as it is in any sentence. So don't worry about the object. Shastram is the object. This won't change. Only concentrate more on Vatuhu shrunoti. Vatuhu means youth. Shrunoti means listen. Now what is the plural form of youth? Vatuhu, Vatavaha. Vatavaha is the plural form. And what is the plural form of shrunoti? Shrunoti, which is a special dhatu, special verbal form. Just now I have shown you, if you remember the last page. So shrunoti is the special verb. What is the plural form of this shrunoti? Shrunvanti. So Vatuhu will convert into Vatavaha, which is a plural form. Shrunoti will get converted into Shrunvanti, plural form. And the Shastram will remain as it is, which is the object. Only subject and verb are changing. So this example is done. Now you need to fill all the rest of the examples. I'll give you one example. Vidhata. Vidhata means creator, masculine. Vidhata sarvam janati. A creator knows everything. Sarvam, everything. Vidhata, creator. Janati, he knows. Present tense, he knows. What is the plural form of Vidhata? Vidhataraha. And what is the plural form of Janati? Jananti. Only these two things will change. This sarvam will remain as it is, which is the object. Now here you need to identify which is subject, which is object, which is verb. Then only you can take the plural forms, right? So here Vidhata sarvam janati. Write it in English. First get the meanings from learnsanskrit.cc and get the meanings. Vidhata means creator. Sarvam means everything. Janati means knows. So creator knows everything. So creator is the subject. Sarvam means object. Janati means verb. Now object will remain same. It won't change. So write it down. Sarvam, you will write it down. And what is the subject, plural of the subject? Vidata. Vidata's plural form is Vidataraha. You will search in sanskritabhyas.in and you will take the form. Vidataraha you will type. And what is the plural form of Janati? Jananti. So you will club everything. You will get the sentence. Vidataraha sarvam jananti. Creators know everything. Singular form is creator knows everything. Now plural form is creators know everything. So this is the answer. So that's what you need to do for all this exercise. What all you need to do now? This first word is the subject. For all these subjects, you need to search in sanskritabhyas.in and you will get the plural forms. You need to get the plural forms. And after that, this last word, shrunoti, janati, these are the dhatus, verbs. Or for all these verbs, you need to get the plural forms. And then club everything. This object will remain as it is. That's what you need to do. Now, I'll just give you answers. You search it separately and fill the exercise. Finally, check with my answers whether you are right or wrong. I'm reading out the answers. Vatavaha Shastram Shrinvanti. Vidataraha Sarvam Jananti. Vaktaraha Bhashanam Kurvanti. Pangavaha Chalitum Shaknuvanti. Marjaraha Mushakam Grihnanti. Bhaginyaha Upayanam Krinanti. Balaha Kridanakam Chinvanti. Vikretaraha Dugdam Dadati. Yuvakaha Udyogam Prapnuvanti. Mitrani Sahayam Kurvanti. Rugnaha Kashtena Rudanti. So all these are the answers which I have given. So this is done. Coming to the next part of page number 33. See here it's a simple exercise. See this? Karoti. They have given few words. Karoti, shrunoti, prapnoti, shaknoti. All these are the Vishesha Dhatus, special verbal forms. For these things, you just need to get the plural forms. Already we have done in the top page, right? See this? Already we have done here. What is the Shrunoti's plural form? Shrunvanti. Janati's plural form? Jananti. Karoti's plural form? Kurvanti, right? All this you have already filled with this exercise. The same thing you just need to update here. They have given karoti, does. What is the plural form of does? Kurvanti. Shrunoti, Shrunvanti. Like this, you need to fill this entire box. I'll give you answers. Karoti, plural form is Kurvanti. Shrunoti, plural form is Shrunvanti. Chinoti, plural form is Chinvanti. Prapnoti, plural form is Prapnuvanti. Shaknoti, plural form is Shaknuvanti. Grihnati, plural form is Grihnanti. Krinati, plural is Krinanti. Janati, plural is Jananti. Dadati, plural is Dadati. Roditi, plural is rudanti. Karoti, plural is kurutaha. Shrunoti, plural is shrunutaha. Chinoti, plural is chinutaha. Shaknoti, plural shaknutaha. Prapnoti, plural prapnutaha. One small one small note here. See this? These two boxes, first two boxes talking about plural. Grihnanti, Krinanti, Jananti, right? Here this second box, last two are talking about dual form. First two are plural forms, last two are dual forms. So here you need to fill dual forms. Kurutaha, Shrunutaha, like that. I'll give you dual forms. Look at the third box. All these are the dual forms. Karoti's dual is Kurutaha. Shrunoti's dual is Shrunutaha. Chinoti's dual Chinutaha. Shaknoti's dual Shaknutaha. Prapnoti dual Prapnutaha. Last box also talking about dual. Grihnati dual is Grihnitaha. Krinati dual Krinitaha. Janati dual Janitaha. Dadati dual Dattaha. Roditi dual is Ruditaha. So this is done. Now we are here with the last part of today's class. See this? In this exercise, what you need to do? They have given few sentences. Bhavantau Vishayam dash. Bhavantau Vishayam dash. What you need to fill in this dash? See this? In this blank. They have given one brace, right? Janati, Jananti, Janitaha. Here, see here, Janati means no. Singular no. What is a dual? Two people knows. Janitaha. All people knows. Jananti. So its singular is Janati and its dual is in the last they have given. This is a dual. Since it is in the sequence, don't blindly take. First one is singular, second one is dual, third one is plural. Don't have that blind analysis. You need to check in the sanskritabhyas.in. You need to check and you need to note clearly. Janati means singular. Its dual is Janitaha, which they have given in the last. And Jananti is plural. So here, what you need to fill? Singular, dual or plural? Here you need to concentrate on noun. Noun is Bhavantau. Noun is subject. This is object. Vishayam is object, it won't change. So don't worry about middle form. Middle forms are, it's an object, it won't change. Forget about this. Just concentrate on the first, this subject. Its subject is Bhavantau. Bhavantau is dual. So what you need to fill here? You need dual verb only, right? If subject is dual, verb has to be dual. What is the dual in these three? Just now I told you. Dual is Janitaha. So you will fill Janitaha. This is done. Let's take one more example. Grahakau. Grahakau means customers. Two customers. Vastu, object. Krinitaha. Krinitaha means sell, buy or sell. Sells. So customer buys objects. Buy or sell, you know, right? So customer buys objects. Here grahakau means two customers. Grahakau, two customers. Krinitaha. Two customers means you need dual form, right? What is the dual form in this brackets? Krinitaha. Krinitaha is a dual form. Krinati is a singular form. Krinanti is a plural form. So, what is the dual form here? Krinitaha. That's what you have filled here. So, it became customers buys objects. Two customers buys objects, which is a dual form. Like this, you need to fill this entire table. I'll give you answers. भवन्तौ विषयं जानीतः ग्राहकौ वस्तु क्रीणीतः आरक्षकौ चोरं गृह्णीतः कर्मकरौ कार्यं कुरुतः भगिन्यौ सङ्गीतं शृणुतः भवत्यौ सर्वत्र गन्तुं शक्नुतः. This first one. भवन्तौ सर्वत्र गन्तुं शक्नुतः. So all these are the answers for the final exercise. So what you need to do in this exercise? Here they have given singular, dual and plural forms in a mix and match way. They are not in a sequence. Singular, dual and plural are not in a sequence. Just take the first one, this first dhatu, search in sanskritabhyas.in and get the verbal forms. Which is the dual form, which is the plural form, be more clear. So concentrate more on those things and then come here. See the first one, which is a subject. Based on subject, you need to write the verb. If subject is in dual, you need to write verb also in dual. If the subject is in singular, verb has to be in singular. So just write in sync with the noun. Then this exercise is done. So that is what for today. In the next class, we'll see 34th page till 36th page of Bhashapraveshaha Part 1 textbook. So good luck guys. In the next video, we'll meet you. Take care. Bye.